this is part of our life, yeah. We will one day maybe end up in a hospital. So all these products later on will be also maybe used to save our life. Yeah? So we can see directly how important that what we are doing actually to saving the people. B.Braun for me is a savior because it's involved in the protecting of people health and also saving people life. My name is Fadzilah Jaafar. I work as a production manager in B.Braun Malaysia. The more you work, the more you expose yourself to the process, the more you know about the end use of the product. You feel that you are not only working to get the money, but the passion of working is there because you have actually contributed to the whole world. From my experience working here in B.Braun, I don't have that difficulty in being a woman in this field. The gender does not make any difference anymore when you are actually able to work with them and achieve together the objective of the company. Yeah, I can say my family is also a B.Braun family. In fact, now my daughter is also working here. I would like her also to actually experience what I experienced in B.Braun, so that we can actually, because this company actually has helped me to grow, and also especially in my career, as well as also in terms of the financial, yeah, for my family. I think this is my first job until now, so this is really great for me. I would say I can describe myself as a role model in terms of loyalty, because I stay here for 32 years. Even though I got offered from somewhere else, however, I find my job here is more fulfilled in terms of my value here, and I feel being appreciated from time to time of my contribution here. You have the chance actually to contribute your life to others through joining B.Braun.